yes. Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're doing an amazing video. We're shooting this beautiful McLaren 600LT 2019. I love this car for multiple factors. One, it's a McLaren. And also this has got these awesome blue brake calipers. Blue's my favorite color if you guys don't know. But we're shooting this amazing car. We got it for about an hour and a half or so. I was told by the owner that they want audio from the car, so we're going to drive it around a little bit and actually like properly drive it a little bit. That car audio and exhaust. It's got the top mounted exhaust as well, which is amazing to see. We're going to take off the demonstration plate and actually get some really cool shots. We're actually shooting 3 600s today. We're going to shoot this white one, which is a matte white. I believe it's a white PPF. And this guy mowing the lawn. So I'm going to put you guys on my head and we're going to start doing some POV. So let's get to it. Alright, so for today we are shooting on the usual, the Sony a7IV and this 24-70 from Sigma. All the links will be in the description below. And then also ideally we're going to, we'll do a couple of walkarounds with, first of all we actually have to take off the demonstration plate first. Grab the screwdriver. And also these buckets are tight as hell, especially for someone tall. It's a little interesting, but it's not bad actually. It's pretty good. Alrighty, let's take off this plate. Here we go. Okay, cool. Let's put the screwdriver and the plate back in the front. And also a couple things that are in my pocket so I don't lose stuff. First things first, as we walk around the car, we're going to take the usual shots we normally do of walking around it. And then we're going to go for some details such as the headlights, the logos, the side markers, the front, the wheels, the brake calipers, the logos like the 600LT, the mirrors, every carbon piece on this car as well, such as like exterior carbon wise. I'm not entirely sure what is carbon. I don't think there's too much on this. Interior, there's a bunch of carbon, so we're gonna get that all done. So, but yeah, let's start it out. Alrighty, let's get to it. You guys always want to be fixing your CPL as well, because every angle you tilt your camera is going to change the effect of that filter. So try and adjust accordingly. Just always keep that in mind. And also, since I am shooting for McLaren Vancouver and FAF Reserve Vancouver, we are going to be shooting a lot of vertical content because that's where all the postings are going to be going on social media, as well as a few here and there for like media on like websites. But it's mostly focused around social media, so just to let you guys know. Sweet. And you're probably wondering why are you taking so many photos, Luke? Well, personally for me, I'm a little bit shaky all the time. Just I don't know, nerves or anything like that. But also it's sometimes shooting these newer cars. They have the LEDs in the headlights. We don't have the headlights on at the moment, but sometimes you get some flickering. And so the more photos I'm able to take, the more accurate I'm able to get a proper image with all the lights on. And even if I don't, and if I have to take multiple shots, I can merge those in Photoshop if needed too. So that's always helpful. Let's get a little bit further back for some depth. And of course we're gonna do the iconic putting up all the doors and everything, don't worry. Just wanna get all the basics first.
Here's what I found.
Cool, thank you. Apple Watch thinking of about an animal scent. Whatever that means, okay, cool. Sweet. Let's see, is Matt Soley home? He is. Let's give him a call. Yo, what's up?
How's it going, man?
Not much. Just thought I'd ask. I'm shooting McLaren right now. I have 2 more later today as well. I just thought I'd pop the question if you'd be interested in coming out to shoot. I can come pick you up like right now if you want.
Oh shit, okay. I mean, I can come for the orange one.
So take your time, shoot me a call or a message when you're available and I'll shoot over to you.
Oh shoot, okay, thank you.
No worries.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright, see ya.
See ya.
Bye. Sweet. Alright, so we possibly have Matt Soli coming out. That'll be pretty cool. I'll link his Instagram right here if he does come out. If there's no link, unfortunately we didn't get Matt out, but trying to get a lot of the other local photographers and my friends out as well to shoot these cars, because when do you get to shoot a beautiful McLaren 600LT in a beautiful bluebird day like this? We have a little bit of clouds, but that's fine. It's honestly totally fine. We're gonna wrap up here a little bit. I'm gonna quickly finish off some of the photos, dial them in. I wanna get the greenery here. I like that shot. Sweet. Wondering maybe if possible shooting through a branch. I also love doing this. You guys will probably know if I do shoots with you, I'll be like off in the bush somewhere or whatever, trying to get an angle like through a tree or something wild like this. It's just what I love. Natural framing is, in my opinion, goated, but you never heard it from me, so. But all right, cool. So we got most of the angles to walk around. We're gonna do the interior and also some detail exteriors right now, such as the beautiful hood. We're gonna go for the brake caliper and just the brakes, and let alone just the wheel. We got the 600 logo with the wheel maybe, and the tilt for some added flair. We got a rear angle looking up at the wing. And then of course we got to get the center mounted exhaust. Sweet. Let's get a mirror shot. I want to try and do a shot where I'm looking like almost like in the wing area, but I'm like focused on the wing, but with the mirror in shot, as well as we'll try and do a shot here maybe. We will put all the doors up, and we're going to turn the lights on just to get some daytime running lights live effect. Put this to 1. Does that do anything? It does. Sweet. So yeah, you guys can see the flicker in the camera. So I'll show you. So that's like only the right side got it. Nothing. Both sides got it. That's why I take multiple images, if you guys were wondering. Like, of course I could adjust my settings to adjust for the aperture or the LED frequency, but in a day like this it's hard to, because it's so bright out. I'm already at like 200 ISO. I don't want to have any issues like that. We're gonna put this back to auto. We're gonna get a shot of the interior here. Let's get the details on the stitching of the seatbelt. Close this. I'm actually going to go into the front and grab a 16-25. Hello. How are you guys? It is, yes. Yeah, they do. Yeah. They make them in the UK. Yeah. It really is, yeah. It really is, yeah. This is a, what year is this one? 2019. But yeah, it's a fun car to drive. A little difficult for me being tall, but other than that, it's really fun. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go over to the 16-25 to get some interiors, and then we'll jump on video, get some quick shots and everything here, and then get some roller action with some mounted cameras and everything. And then we'll go pick up Matt if he's available. And yeah, let's get to it. I want to get a shot one more with the wheel because I love this angle. My knee's on fire because the rocks hurt. Oh, geez, that's fun. I do want to get a shot. One of my favorite shots with McLarens is getting the shot with the wheel and the front and the door up. I think that's really, really cool. Just like that. All right, let's jump in Actually, let's get some phone content first before I jump in and get locked in, because it's rather difficult to get in there, especially me being tall. Also, remember, you guys, to like, subscribe, and comment, and also follow me on other social media platforms. I don't just post on YouTube. I post on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, everything like that. So make sure to follow me wherever you guys get to see, and also you guys get to see the behind the scenes of me shooting before everything goes live. So stay tuned for that stuff. All right, let's jump inside, get some interiors, and then we'll jump back outside, put the license plate on, mount some cameras, and then we'll be good. Whew, fun. All right, let's put the steering wheel all the way up so we have the most room. Look at the dash. I do want to start it up, maybe. There we go. Stupid parking sensors. Sweet. Look at the carbon fiber. The mirror. Here. The display. Sweet. I think we're good for the interior. Unfortunately, we are going to put this camera, the DJI Action 6, on the car for some action shots, but we'll put the POV on for more cars and everything. I think we're actually doing a 750 in orange instead of the 600, so that'll be pretty fun as well. But yeah, so 3 McLarens today. Stay tuned for that. This is the first one. Yeah, let's get into the car. I'll be overlaying a bunch of the shots I get over for video, so let's get to it.